was a video where no, I know Eddie, if you say Afia Schwar Odi Ahenkan. Any other TikTokers about clashing with Prophet Roja, Bernard, Owusu Bempah, any Apostle Francis Amwakwanta, any Edinfo na omu nyina yo madwene say they will sabotage Baomiano. Omo hwe ensi e wo Ghana ha no mo ti media no so omu no mu da be sie ni no mo send warning, strong warning to them. I Penyah blocking them. Let's say any demo. Obe like if video no other my subscribe button, some back the notification on the latest update. Now back to the why and the mama e wo comment section so baso. No share for Penyah be ahwe. So over here 24 year kwa about 20 no. Ghana so for ni bi eye adwen banko bi. E wo mu nyina yo madwene say they will come together to sabotage Bawumia, making sure say Bawumia will never be a president in this country. Edina so for no e de adibi hye come and then and people be lose Bawumia can never be a president. And you know, this is not the first time they said all these things about the Kufuor. In 2015, from 2008 to date, to Kufuor by dia ebetina kunya 2016, they said many things about Kufuor. Even Abambagben, the Kufuor buyer of or appointing as Speaker of Parliament, he was able to tell Kufuor to say in 2015, say Kufuor can never be a president. But menim the entire Kufuor buyer or come Abambagben as Speaker of Parliament. Menim they know Kufuor. And you know, Aban did dirty job for NDC in the House of the Parliament because all now follow parliamentary proceedings. Because he said that he was doing the bid for NDC. Menim the entire nipa someone who doesn't believe in you becoming president. Now Kufuor Aba was my money per corner appointment. Menim say you heard mood yeah, I don't get it. In fact, some kind of appointment the Kufuor make you know. So what transfer required you know never make sense. Someone who doesn't believe in you. Any power who tifia or near campaign or no sooner na monchan say campaign no, telling them say you can never be a president. And Obika said that and someone unhealthy Kufuor can never be a president. Is a Kufuor or no or yarea one so no. On Timinya president. Then that time NDC majority in parliament. E catch a Kufuor say on Timinya president. NDC MP can be. And someone catch a Kufuor do chrome hanomono. And so catch a Kufuor do chrome hanos on Timinya president. But nyame nipa nyame Kufuor be president in 2016 e ma nkwa de obetena so 2 terms straight omuma hama no mani age no hono obeye just 1 term obetena Ghana for 2 tia ni boom ebi si Ghana hada se nipa betena kunya so no otena so no ni next election ya 2 tia di boom eye mahama nkwa na jesi anu ngwase ne poto oje ne poto but Kufuor da no so ntime president no obeye 2 term president enyi nipa adwene nyame adwene se bi na so mo ye Bawumia 2024 na so for na start so for the Ghana so for nyina kan go big all because Bawumia kramuni e ma na ense mu kan say ye ma kramuni medi oman ne so ye ma kramuni e medi oman ne so enso niam asofo ni bi ye no say nyame ti wo moto si nyame bie niam so ama Ghana fo ahuna anka asofo ni bi omus na konfo omu kunipa hwe nipa sie nipa fom e de gitumi omus na dunzefo ne akonfo omus ne malam ye sie emoa wo fom de petumi enem asofo we mu ti ye wo Ghana ha no mu claim se omu ne ye nyame asofo no tai enem omu ye ne Ghana ha no no bufu papa tai se nyame mu ohu bia ka ha unsi ason dem kurada ya asofo ka zuma ason dem kurada ko so wo no ne ring fon tantan na se no za to so bompa ya wo dun wan kasa wuja wo ka wo hye bra wo wase undim dia asofo ne yam anka ma hwe yi mate se mundim dia asofo ne yam a niema ye frafra oye wa fuafun niema ye frafra de mamononom de gumo so bompa ya ma se mundim bia bia de mu kra kopiepia anka ma hwe yi kama ye study anka ma ye study na wezanya no wasa na ye kan hadamo in 2004 they were able to succeed with this agenda omunya komumbo mu set agenda at etia Bawumia say Bawumia will never be a president. Now 2024 akwa we ya 2025 na so ya rakogu 2026 MPP primaries no the same thing ana so for ne Owusu Bempah mo Prophet Bernard mo Roja mo ne ade no omu nyina asia na Bawumia be lose primaries no Bawumia be lose but lo and behold Bawumia awin na Bawumia awin ye no ana prophet Roja enu achi no was abetena and you tiri o kire ai do ba omi awe ni enipa ni so onu na elidi but hunhum no eye Kennedy Japan na elidi MPP na bibi besi ama 2028 ye nuru honom no na enye ba omi na Ghana enye ba omi na MPP fragment na emu na ye Kennedy Japan all because meaning say there will be a stroke ana bibi say ebon ba omi obe free mu kra ade say obewu ana bibi ye na ye say party best step it down there will be akọ na say doom prophecy no o ma sa start at ane mo no me tia bo me ma sa start na eno na Afia Schwar Odi Odi Ahenkan any many other we just say there be this time they almost so they will face them squarely to win the same or more catch them.
Anti-Baumi agenda bin amoye in 2024 na yet na session mudino. Hey. Mono Maria yen me na me ma supplier. Me catch them. Owusu Bempah wona gang no. Sa kofi oduro na be ka ho no. Na sa kofi oduro de wo free no mi kra ne. Ba mono Maria mon ka ho se me na die mo sma mo me se me dem wo. Wa be wa gine se wo ko tenya me chi abeka kwase ba wo me o ye kramoni. Now we are Christiania, you should be very worried about this nonsense. We are Christiania, you should be very worried about this nonsense. Na kaya denyane na kramoni bia sorry adechi awebewu adechi asofu webewu adechi awebewu. How would you feel? How would you feel? Na kaya denyane na imam bi na radio to radio na bibi seriem ala si bibi seriem ala si awebewu and come over feeling saying more as about me a Christian young. Let me tell you one thing, Kennedy Japan said that is truth. You kafa who I no correct. Now, when my dear, more dear dinner man, yamite. Said the Kennedy Casa Moya Zanta, and what Jimmy no, needing I no correct. The Asaya no credit said, or yet Jones, you know, dear Onimo, or Tao man Atoshi, and Mamudi Bedino. Hey, what would you want some Baba Uniaso? Make come a check. What would you want some Baba Uniaso? Make come a check. Any Yaman Kunko Timimu. Many do so. Asihato. Now me destroy Chiamaba 2 feet. And one I open on Nadia Dare. Uber Jimmy Bean, where Daremy Bini. Me don't me. And was Siagana was starting. Ya mamu 20 seconds. Ya mam. And then I say, and I be Gabatarium, and I be who ya. Naba with me, I say. Back up here. What we have, Emma. Bra. But I'm a semi coming chat. Oh, by a sorry. What the way I man, quack up him. Sound radio station that's not so many wo. Any radio run. Ye bet deep being. Nanya me. One abed dimmy beanie. A very be. Some what Jimmy. Most what Jimmy. One Rogers Cassan one Joe or Dr. Yuho. And some men so. Now me no vampire. Now to be my catcher me say. Won't see me for us sorry. And to chacha. Now, who would you say about me? I be Lucia. And their business I'm new obium. Baumianti, I'm no vampire. Baumianti, and I'm a bow. Baumianti, and I'm no vampire. Sabe come when you're vampire, my baumia. Now, I did you over here. Now, what's in your shaman, you Roja? I can't say, you cannot put your church on the line. Na ba umia winia wo fra me ni me didi enkomo biem na wo fra me wanya a wo fa chire ho akotechire agenda e dia to ba umia so sam agenda no onyame you so crack ha anti format bia ni wa wo de baba ye nkura sa format no wa mo format no ya breaking ni na wa what time ya di budi agrantam say me se me woni mu nyina titiu ni asofo na mo bo pa ma ba umia no mo nam dey start mo so na ma ko we tofi kwasia mpanyini Owusu Bempah no ene ne kwasia El Bernard no konfront to bottom ni no asofo ajana 1 ajana 2 mo try abua se me call off 1 year El Bernard if you're a true man of God we be call off 10 years. And can it na share come na memoir and ke ye chauti and can it na ko jan that said the Lord and na memoir and ka show three administrators ye waduma show. I can't say. Now go can that said the Lord. That said the Lord. That said the Lord. I'm poverty. Conform as Siampeni. I feel here. Why the Casama Black Rasta? Black Rasta and the Casama. Who did chance? I'm poor. What do you want for about your channel? Now so wedding. Now so wedding. Ah, I'm poor. Me sense it's not now. That said the Lord. And come by this time. La, I could see you. Moka samudi nyamidi bedi agro. Ah? Moka samudi nyamidi bedi agro. Ama bia fierce kabedi den mashemo. Ah, what when you go back and check 2012. 2012 me be Bible school na so for no. Me dre wo mo chen de Kennedy ye no. Me dre wo mo chen de Kennedy ye no. Na Christianity sometimes you mature. You go back. Go back. Obi ni masori ya nyama members ni unyansa ho. Wo de wa wo petrai. Wa wo petrai. Na me you see ade we your friend Holy Bible. Amma will knock out. Start be about do Jimmy akotena se. Let me tell you one thing Kennedy Japan said that is truth. The okafa hu ni na ye no kore. Na wo ni ma de ye mo de dina ma ye me de. Said the Kennedy ka sa mo ye moa, mo ya zanta na mo Jimmy no. Ni dina ye no kore. The assign no credit say, or ya John Tino, dear Onimo, or Tao man Atoshi, and Mamudi Bedino. Hey, what would you want some Baba Uniaso? Make come a check. What would you want some Baba Uniaso? Make come a check. Any Yamin Kunko Tinu. Many do so. Esihato. Now me destroy Chiamaba 2 feet. And no now, Uber no Nadia Daddy. Uber Jimmy Bean, what Daddy me, me don't yame. And was Siagana was starting. Yeah, mamma 20 seconds. Yeah, mam, and then I may say, and I did tell him, and I be who, yeah, never will I say. I comfort to bottom for, as Antana for, I was some for, I saw for Musian and cheer, Pata, and in 9. Yes, what I'm coming. I pay for, what's the you? Who's seeing and cheer, now Kwaku seeing and cheer. What did I cheer my mind? What did I share my way? What did I share my way? The blood of Jesus is not enough. Just all the share my account. Yes, tomorrow, and yeah, enough. Just what did I share the account? Just all the aqua the account. Men no shabreso, men no crasso, Marzano, men so quasi animu, a bois. What you ever, Jimmy? You are so I baby, I will make Jimmy. Me did your first coming day. Make her. Me say me come check. Me no mean. Or 24 hours now, Roja me dem no. It's still counting. 24 hours now me dem no. It's still counting. I'll come back and do second video and you will be surprised. I mention first one. Makacho baby akopacho. Don't come and apologize. It is a comfort. Now mutia mun kanche Roja say make that so. Major public apology and a private apology. One for public apology number, made in a private apology number to one thing. I am somebody. If you try to disrespect me, I disrespect you to the highest order. This is me. The people that should be very afraid of me is people that I give you undiluted respect. If I show you respect, you have only one assignment and only one assignment to reciprocate that respect. If you try to disrespect me, you will have my demons to deal with. And you see me, my demons, they are powerful than me. I won't be emotionally blackmailed by Unia. Juma mi di bedu no. Meme mother. Juma mi di bedu no. Juma mi di bedu. Juma mi di bedu. Me to nyame nkoko no timi mu. Me ka Yesu moja. I shegu Calvary. Once of abe wa jini say. Agenda na mo set 2024 no. Mo be set bia ma ti aba Unia. Me to nyame ka Yesu moja. Me ka moja ne shegu wa Calvary no. Me nu bianu. Ba ku be wu na be yawo. Because me defending the kingdom of God. Nenya men famine sha kwasia etisa wonsa. Men ne wo so Owusu Bempah, men no class so, one no courtesan no, men no so, stupid people, foolish people, and was for Ababa Yam so many akono, and shimmy for, and yard for, and to bottom for, money chassis.
Katafa etosu du miensa ene kura me man bia makwafo or the Reverend Owusu Bempah or the Nufoni aba and I say
me the Reverend Owusu Bempah
me bo din akasem
okay
no na di Nufoni aba o wo printing Nufoni mo first na nka me no nyina na boko so atafre
na dey say I don't know
na say no ye
ah say dey osi bo mi dey na say ma
me no tie bia manya me no na tie akonwa yi
ho say dey o kan na say me na me dey aba nti na me
enye wa me nsuro na won ka asem bo na bia wo na kila bubu no na wa ha nsuro na what the abase so for Owusu Bempah say na anu a MPP for eto abai woni ni prayer warriors o man na woman na kra chance wo she nkom 31st December ne say MPP primaries no ebe mu jasem e de wudi si obi betwa de say say na MPP fonza from ho adwen say ye begu grofo obi ade ma chukro mu papa amanyoko MPP enye nse kan ene atuo nkonti ba ne agyan ene de tete ye di nimdie edinyansa ye di adwontoto a enete etinya patapa asem enti primaries nya won obi ko bu koloko akwa gushi a charge ehura ko wiem kunfun there be ensi na ensi kira enti primaries eya asumdue chese obi ampa mowa si obi akopa obi ane so obi akofa ballot box na franke bia mama dwuma mo ye meminde eyese bokomani wewi onzenjofo epensemboni ati obi anya semboni bi anti adwu se form enti Owusu Bempah se adwu ye no ambi form mama mdimu nyamudo na empire ba wo boy sire radi nyankopon se ade a wo yi che ne 31st no wontwam na nyankopon tie na ko a ene wo twam na mamfo se okay ene yangu bonya ni ntwa ya ka di abrofu imu bia man ti binga bi odo
bra bi
yes ra ya papa ma sofo no mo ma yakobon no nto no
asemu
na mo titi yakobon dodo nyame wa me ani ansane ni midie o hwe wa me nyansa ni nimdie se me ne biama ebia ye ntem nwo na kiki krem se de me ni menua ba ye kwa se be madwe wofo de bia me ne biama ntokon na masa fine kokwa mu biama kra se ntokosem ne kutiabo no mejai aye nimdie nyame de manipa enti se amanyosem ti obi we fa box we di we atem we ye se no se adi ye petumi tumi ye penso ye kiki kra gana fo anye den enfe ma ye ti ye be me ye ntem agwa nyamya mensa spirit of discerning no ti be se asofo se ye nya ye Christopher babu se ni penyina ye boni nyamya no nyama boy
e na kwa me ade
no so kra
ade no so kra no party ni mpanyofo nso kra ye
hyehyɛ ho na ko ti ko
committee ye dwuma mo ye
papa ne ye dwuma Joe Wise
kamwan
ti na ndi Joe Wise wo mi nyansa fo no e di ongasa se no sika kra hu waje ngasa kra hu so waje onam ho boko di and we decent
we very gentle
asamba ko kan mi de kran say we say na man focus say do we agreement dem ma on call retirement and we say MPP for it me ma boache jako ana boache jako si na dream peace so oba be ye national chairman so papa no
we CDP na ka say
oba national chairman dia ono no Joe Wise on call political retirement
obeba
o mama ni je say
over to you
Uja boache jako is a very decent politician
very
onye
decent
kiki
dabi
inti asofo na mu da bia mo hyenko mu enkom se ni bi wa mu fensha dem yes ya mo pa ye bu mu aye kan na ya no ye yedu tambia na mafo otwa yesu nso nya hwe
yewura baomia mesre se efri na ekwo hwe wadidi mu ye hwe wanamontuo mu ye na obeda se o padlock eye ba ko na ye ne 10 you see Roja enam kan sembi sa na Reverend Owusu Bempah so kan sembi MC ye to aba ne wie no yewura Kennedy ohene Japan me na na bremi zade minim adwen a ode kan sa asem na nya adwen bone nso to me hu ni se nya adwen bone mom nkofo bi ti se Roja na Reverend Owusu Bempah mo popo bi na saa pono na mpese yewura Dr. Mahmoud Baumia hwe wo ye wo saa nkrofo yi ho yewura Ken ka say omo di nachi no omo emma wakom omakoma den ento omo yem efise aka 3 years to go obi nim ne ochina ebesi. And if say yewura Ken betimi abeye flag bearer ama MPP achi say Dr. Baumia pachomuntie ne say yewura Kennedy ohine Japan ebeba beye flag bearer e di ama MPP 2028 election achi say yewura Mahmoud Baumia ayeden na eno na yewura Owusu Bempah ebeka asem bi say ono wanka say wo hu yewura Ken say oti MPP akonya so o si omampanyini akonya which omampanyini akonya so sesi a Kennedy Japan wanka sa fo adwen to form na hu say akonya no abo me kan no kra che o mani abre hu ni say sesi a presidential candidate we ye biemu a enye yie because baby aduru so ye ko biemu anu gwase na beba na Roja ene Owusu Bempah sesi a Roja also say Bernard in some of kind say Owusu Kennedy Japan and LED MPP party no since wiem na it's like said o si kan ensem no na che say adwompone e was ankofo we too na the mpese make an say your bet try hwe anka che se mu dwane free Ghana your so kita spirit no the bone kwa no de bedi no on try yewura Baumia na mubehu say ewiase 2 minutes bi yede e chen bi me say ye mu bi say nanke yaye adwe say ye nkasa but this time ye mamon say oman no ye mamon fa mu bayi bonsa no best spirit na mukita na fa say oman kronkro Ghana me say ni osusu no ebeba wa wo so medam ase
Chira wadwe mama e wo comment section. I Penyah Media.